Hello and welcome to another edition of Wednesday's Words of Wisdom. Our school year is quickly coming to an end, which means summer is next up. And I know we are all excited about summer. However, we want to continue our academics as much as we can and take a little break to ensure that when we start back school in the fall that we are ready to go. To help us do so, Ms. Friedman is hosting a book swap, and you all should have gotten this letter sent home with your child. And this book swap is going to take place in the Learning Commons May 17th through the 21st. But in order for your child to participate, they need to donate books, and we are limiting it no more than 10 books. Gently used books, maybe books that they've had for a long time, but they don't read them anymore. That's a great choice to bring in, and they can start bringing them in on the 26th. So on Monday, they were able to start bringing them in all the way up to May 7th. Then we will give out tickets in order for them to be able to come and do the book swap in the Learning Commons May 17th through the 21st. And these books can be used in order to support your child over the summer with our next resource. We have reading resources, and these were sent home in your packets that we did at the beginning of the year that had all the manipulatives and activity sheets. These can be done over the summer. We highly recommend continue this information over the summer with your child. We have tips for kindergarten, we have tips for first grade, for second grade, for third grade, and then here for fourth and fifth. These are great questions to have with your child as they're reading a book. Make sure you're still having those conversations as they are reading a book. No matter the age, you can always read with your child. Have them read a page to you. You read a page to them. Reading can continue, and you can do so much with reading. So we encourage you to continue reading over the summer. And you can use and see where your child is going to be doing next year, some great tips for them as well. We hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and we look forward to seeing you next week.